everybody doing? I wanted to hop on here and play some stuff I didn't play on Instagram Live. I saw one of you asking for Going Gone. Oh no, this is where we get co-hosts. I'm sorry, we're not co-hosting today. We all saw that chapel vibe. But I'll play you Going Gone. We're in a country mood. Unrealistic mission, cigarettes and alcohol, you lost yourself. Telling the same stories you did all last week. The bar is closed and darling, please put that bottle down. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on babe, there's a door. 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm the girlfriend, not the maid. 10, 9, go down, you go get up again. 4, 3, 2, 1, he's away. Sorry, Mr. Einstein's already past your bedtime. Acting big and talking, get over yourself. I'm sure you wouldn't go very far if you even had a car. But I hate to inform you, still living in my mother's head. 4, come on babe, there's a door. 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm your girlfriend, not the maid. 10, 9, 10, if you go down, you go get up again. 4, 3, 2, 1, he's away, away, away. Someone called to tell you were sick in the best, everybody should have calmed you down. Tell me what you do if I wasn't with you and there was nobody else around. Come on, babe, there's a door. 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm your girlfriend, not your maid. 10, 9, 10, if you go down, you will get up again. 1, 3, 2, 1, go away, go rock and roll. Hi DJ, saw you in Dallas and it was amazing to see you in person. Oh, that's so cute. I've actually just got the news I might be touring with an artist. I won't say who, but I'm very, very excited. I think it's around America, and then I'm trying to get a London show for anyone here who's from London. Oh my God, you're voting for Head Start. To be quite frank with you guys, I ate about like 3/4 of a tub of ice cream, and it was like peanut butter, honeycomb, brownie. So like the idea of reaching them notes right now seems almost impossible. I'll try, but I'm definitely feeling the ice cream going on. And my fucking window, I don't think you swear on it, but my window got smashed yesterday. My car window, like literally put out the single, car window, boom, smashed, left my guitar case in my backseat. So that one was fair, like I take it. This time, nothing, just the dog's treat bag. Took the dog's treat bag, had to do the whole thing again on the video release. So it's been great. It's been really, really good. But I saw someone asking for side effects, and I'm gonna link that nicely. It's like release the music is the side effect to get my car window smashed. So. Also, I got a rhino on my shirt. We love it. We're going for red. Okay, here we go. Side effects. Have you heard of the Howl and the Hum? I haven't heard of the Howl and the Hum. Is that like it sounds an Americana band? Join my team. I forgot you can do all this stuff on TikTok, like put this stuff on my head and that. Oh my God. Just keep it civil, keep it PC. All right, keep it PC. Here we go. Shout out to Cassie for asking for this one. What you say we just get away? In the same passion and everything you've become. Wanting more than to be a number one. And in everything you've come to be. Hey baby, you wanna be happy with me? Give me a sign. We'll go today or tomorrow. Give me a sign. We'll leave today. Baby, it's just a side effect of changing your life. Just a side effect of changing your life. Side effect of changing your life. Just a side effect of changing your life. Give me a sign and we'll go. It's tonight or tomorrow. This side we'll leave. It's tonight, baby, Guys, I'm so excited to play live. I can't even explain to you. I'm like just sat. Can I do complex? Oh my god, how do I even sing that song? I've totally forgotten it. Self-titled, definitely never get me through my 20s. I feel like I've said this on my other live, but the album that's coming is like the same vibe as my first, and I sort of use my first as a bit of a compass to sort of get my third album together. So I'm like really excited. Also, I just discovered this song. I always play you like a new one. I love that guitar. Does it have an interesting story? Well, yes, kind of. I was kind of bored of like, I had a sort of normal like wooden tailor my mum got me for like when I was 16, and I think it was my first ever TV performance, and I was just like, oh, I want something that feels, you know, like striking or whatever. And I was looking up all my heroes, and I looked up Dolly Parton, and I saw, as you know, Dolly, and I saw she had a white one, and I was like, ooh. And then for the second album, I put a stripe on it. But yeah, it's my baby. I'll never lose this guitar. Wait, someone said about me giving a top you gave my friend free. Aww, Georgia. Yeah, was that because like I remember it being like, which show was that? I can't remember which show that was. But a couple of times the card always dies at the merch stand, and I'm just like, just have the shirt. Just have the poster. I don't know why. Oh yeah, I found this song. And I wrote it 5 years ago with this guy called Rustin Kelly. I haven't approached him about this yet, by the way. You're the first to know. You knew before him. Birmingham. Oh, that's amazing, Georgia. Was I supporting someone? Or was it Headline? I think it was Headline. Sorry, I talk so quick. But it's called Be Here to Love Me. And I've been thinking about putting it out like as a duet vibe. But maybe I try and play it for you today and see if you like it. I think it might be a vibe as well as the album stuff. New single next month, by the way. So that's very cool. It's a bit bombastic. It's my sort of like diva moment. Okay, kind of goes. Stop me from drowning, swallow a flood. To keep me from doubting, you put faith in the words. I never doubted that you put me first. I just needed a hold me, don't say a word. I don't need you to help a hurricane raise castles in the sand. I don't need you to walk on water or move mountains with your hands. I don't want you to try to tell me, I want you to understand that I just need you to be here to love me. Yeah, it's kind of the vibe. It's like but I think you'll really like it. It's with this, so with a duet. I always feel like I'm a huge fan of like country duets. You know, like when me and Brent did them. I really loved that song, and it just kind of grew to be one of my favorites. So should we go with an old? I don't know why I'm in a kind of old mood. Insta was Sam Griffin, so Insta was kind of like new, and I feel like this is maybe all the old Jade buds, the classics, mate. This is called Lottery. God forgive me, for those of you who just joined, I ate 3/4 of a tub of ice cream last night. My car was smashed into. It's been a load of fun. Here we go. Do I still play Madeline? I'll give it a go, but I always mess it up because it's so long ago. But thanks for joining, Ella. Here we go. I was 19 and you were 23, and we stayed in number 4 Ferdinand Street. We spent 5 talking about our lives, but we told like that about 1,000 times, and I'm bored of all that. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, and you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you play it anyway. I tell you about a guy that I've been with, my dog's drinking water. Old is he and I left 26 now, but he's 30. How messed up is that? Oh, forget it, he says. I'm a jealous man and I don't want to talk about that. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, and you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you play it anyway. You're still betting on me. Hold on, my dear, hold on real tight. It's just a numbers game in my mind, and we've been here 1,000 times, 1,000 times, 1,000. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, and you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you play it anyway. But you're still betting on me. This is all the bit where I play it live and I'm like rocking, but then I'm like on my own, I'm like, what am I doing? Oh, Geraldine, sing them harmonies, I love it. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, and you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you play it anyway. You're still betting on me, baby. Yeah. Oh my god, as I'm like playing, there's so much going on the screen. It's like League D5, top 99%, start, flash goal. There's all sorts going on. It's like stickers and everything. It's just mad. Okay, someone asked for Madeline. That's so old. I always love it when people are like, I don't know, when you know these songs from like 8 years ago, I'm just like, but Madeline was kind of like, right? It was kind of, I can't like, oh my goodness, was it like 3rd fret? I was a baby. Put it in the water, a whiskey, that pretty little woman, only 23. Let love leave him behind, he ain't no good and he'll leave you blind. Let the light ahead, you see it cry like that. Oh, it's so crazy. Like do this on the album, you know, that kind of like sort of hosey trick I used to do as a kid. I guess Head Start's like that, isn't it? Oh, what did I tell you? I was like, oh, we're gonna sing that song. How does Head Start go? If someone can post the first verse lyrics, I'll play it, but my brain right now. Okay, what else should we do? I'm trying to think if there's a new one I can play you that I haven't played yet. Oh, I do love this one, to be honest. This is one of my faves. I think I played this one, but it's on the upcoming album. and it's called Avalanche, and I don't know, sounds special to me. Sun to the sky, ooh, the lights are buried tight, I'm still open. Face to the sky, but it's just a sheet of white. Though I'm buried tight, I'm still open. I am under an avalanche, and there's no one who can find me. I am under an avalanche, so send out a search party. It's so weird, like I love it, but then on the verses, I'm always just like, I always forget what I'm doing. Oh, furious. Somebody dug that out of the archive, and I was like, looking at the lyrics, like, whoa. I'm pretty sure I was 15 when I wrote this. It was, and did you make up your mind? When did you decide to let me down? When was the turning point? When you put out a joint and you laid her down? Oh, I'm furious. My whole body shakes. I'm furious. My mind slips away. How could you do this? After everything, I'm furious with him. Yeah, I totally forgot about that one. I remember I tested that one out live first. Oh, whoa, so Tractor Tavern. I love Tractor Tavern. That was such a good... Oh, good woman. Georgia, you're like giving me life right now. I'm like, what songs do I sing? And you're like, good woman, power in these songs. I haven't done Good Woman in ages. Let's do Good Woman. I'm in a feisty mood. I need to stay awake. I'm gonna hungover as well. Rock and roll, baby. How's a Good Woman go? In 1 minute, you told 2 lies that you loved me, and it was you and I. In 1 minute, I came to see half a man and what you used to be. Did it take a minute for her to steal everything you thought that was real? Or maybe longer, an hour or more before she took you out to the hotel floor? Did you dare yourself on the way? Yeah, you're giving me a heart attack. Ooh, what were you thinking? How do you take me for? Ooh, what were you thinking? She's cheaper than a dollar store. Version of me, version of me, version of me, version of me. Version of me, version of me, version of me. Did you slow down, slow down? I like playing that one live. I'm really excited to play that one live. Although I'm playing with a band soon. We had our first rehearsal, I think like a couple of weeks ago, and it's so cool because I'm like adding a bit more of like a country spin. So like if you see me live, the I Get No Joy, you know, when it's kind of like wow, now, 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 now. It's like that electric thing. I'm gonna change it to some like crazy like country-esque solo, and it's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited. I'm also like trying to design like not a jumpsuit, like something different, but I'm like really trying to figure out. So if you have any ideas or any inspo pictures, just tag me in them or like DM me them, because I'm really trying to think like what it is, you know, like is it like a corset vibe? Is it like a... So that's where I've been. I'm just literally sat here like planning to play live very soon. But yeah, all right, let's end on a good one. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? Good at it? I know I need to come back to the UK, although we got Latitude and we got Glastonbury. So then I might do a headline around that, like maybe St. Pancras Church or somewhere cute. You know what I mean? Now is the time. I love now's the time. That's a good one. Maybe we do now's the time. I need a bit of your car's been smashed in, everything's car's been smashed in, everything's okay, how do we do it? Baby, put your jeans on, put your head on. it doesn't matter about the weather, now's the time to go and get. When you get your hair sound, come on down the stairs. Okay, quick fun fact about the lyrics. I never feel like anyone, because I play maybe in America and stuff, but in the north of England, you always say, oh, sound. Like if it's good or if it's great, you're like, sound, it's sound. So it's like, get your hair sound. And I feel like it makes no sense to anyone else, but we'll go from the bravery chorus. Lucky to have met when we did. I know I'm innocent, but the gray skies in my head. But I think you should hear me, 'cause I meant it when I said, never ever ever seen a better day to get it. Doesn't matter about the weather, now's the time to go and get. Baby, I know you're blue, but sometimes you gotta make a move, and I'll be there with every move. But we can't keep looking at the same old view. I know I'm not innocent, there's a gray skies in my head. But I think you should hear me, 'cause I meant it when I said, never ever ever seen a better day to get it. Doesn't matter about the weather, now's the time to go and get. Rock and roll. Thank you so much, guys, for joining again. I really appreciate it. I promise you, I've got live news soon and all the good stuff. But until then, you know, Who Wants is out there. Next chapter next month. I love you very, very much. I appreciate you. Oh my goodness. It's so strange hanging up on these things. I never know what I'm doing. It's like my brain just sort of dies and the cringe comes out. You know what I mean? Oh, my dog as well. All right, guys. I love you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.